You like your costume?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you like about it?
I like the movie on the camera.
Let's see your tail. Hey, come back, dinosaur. Come back, dinosaur. Can you wag your tail? What are you going to say at all the houses when we go trick-or-treating? What are you going to say at the houses when we go trick-or-treating?
Trick or treat.
That's good. Let's see your hands. Let's see your claws. Roar. That's pretty cool.
I'm Mocha. I'm Mocha.
Mocha, there's a dinosaur coming. Is there a dinosaur coming?
There is.
Alright, where's the dinosaur? Oh, you're a pretty quiet dinosaur. She's like, what the heck is that? Extreme close up.
I want to see.
Oh, look at dinosaur. What does the dinosaur do? What does a dinosaur do? He stomps around and growls.